for ball, rolling ahead. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog, bark and call. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for goat, jumping around. H is for horse, galloping on the ground. I is for igloo, made of ice. J is for jelly, yummy and nice. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, roaring nearby. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, home for the bees. O is for owl, hoot at night. P is for penguin, waddling in sight. Q is for queen, ruling so fair. R is for rabbit, hopping with care. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, prowling at night. U is for umbrella, keeping you dry. V is for violin, music in the sky. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for siphon, play with me. Y is for yak, with long hair. Z is for zebra, stripes everywhere.